Babes, welcome back to the channel. We're starting off today by moving the bench out of the hallway because, surprise, I did something I said I wasn't going to do. But that's here or there. So if you're new here, hi, babe, my name is Megan. And if you've been rocking with me, thank you so much for coming back. I'm so happy you all are here. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the cozy Christmas decorating we've got coming up. Let's get into it. Before we bring the tree in, yes, the tree, I'm giving this corner a quick clean. A few of you noticed I didn't post last week. I only posted a little small short. We just had a lot going on at home. My mom was in the hospital because her heart wasn't pumping the way it should. It was only working at 92%. They were trying to get it back into the normal rhythm. They even tried a cardio version, but it didn't take. So we've been dealing with a lot and taking things one day at a time. And honestly, I needed a cozy little project today to breathe for a minute and reset my mind. So we're doing Christmas.
So I bought another tree. I know I said I wasn't, but I did good because I did not go and buy the tree that I wanted, which was a 10 foot. But I did buy this one that I think I'm going to put in the living room and take that one, maybe put it in my room or upstairs. So let's see how this looks in this space, because if I don't like it, it's going back.
I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything and lay out the pieces. This thing came packaged nice, so it took me a minute, but I wanted to get everything organized before I started putting it together.
Yes, and that's the top of the tree. Just the top.
Go ahead and get her set up. I really thought this tree was going in the living room, but something told me to test this tree out in this space first. So here we are. I picked up the Bradley Spruce, a 9 foot pre-lit from at home. She is big, she's fluffy, and honestly, she's already given what she needs to give, you know? This is the base section, so I'm just going to lock it into the stand first. The tree is heavier than I thought, so if you see me struggling, no, you didn't, okay? You did not. Here's where the girl math just wasn't mathing at this point, because the tree was a little bit on the wide side, but it worked out eventually. You all already know Fluffing takes patience. I love doing a mixture of pulling the branches up, out, and down so it looks really natural to me, like a star. Not too perfect, but not too wow either.
We finally got the tree up. Ah! This is the Bradley Spruce pre-lit dimmable LED. Let's try it out. Y'all know I get excited when it comes to putting up these Christmas trees. The twinkle. Sequential. Slow glow. Slow fade. And just steady. Let's give the dimmable a try. This is 80%. The next one is going to be 60%. And then you have 40. I don't know, but I like 40. Let me turn all the lights off so you guys can see it better. I don't know why it kind of looks green on the camera, but it's not. And then let's take it up. And that's 100% at night. But I like this one. This is not a problem. But my favorites is that one. And it doesn't look bad when it twinkles like that. A little too fast for me because I like the Grand Duchess, how that one twinkles, but this is pretty nice. So I don't have enough garland to go up the steps to do it the way I would really like it to be and the way I wanted it to look. So I may have to use a different kind. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. My first time styling a banister with garland. So I have looked at TikTok videos, I've looked at some YouTube videos, but I don't have enough. And I've called around to all the Hobby Lobbies. They do not have any more of this cedar garland. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. Other ones that I have are Norfolk, but I only have enough to style my entryway and the fireplace, which is not styled yet, but I was trying to see how many that needed to go on the fireplace. So, oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But let's see, we're just gonna give it a try. If it don't look good, we just won't be selling the banisters this year, and we'll probably figure something else out. Maybe do something for each, what is it called? What is this called? The stair pole? We may put a nice little design right here on the poles. So I have 1, 2, 3, and then do something up there. So, let me show you. Do something up there on the railing. I am trying to film this video. I am also trying to decorate my home for Christmas, and I'm lost because I thought we bought enough garland. This is why it is very important one thing of preparing yourself for the holidays is to make sure ahead of time, meaning during the summer or during when you're packing everything away, count how many garlands you have, write it down, put it in your phone, in your notes, file it somewhere. This is how many I have. This is how many I have of this color, and this is how many I have of this color. If you can, take a picture and put it away in a nice little storage box, because this is annoying. It really is. Okay, so I'm going to do a different method. I am going to take it up here, zip tie it, instead of taking it all the way down, and then bring it down and through the bars is what I did. So I brought it through the bars, and now I'm just going to drop it to the bottom of the floor and then zip tie it down here. I don't know. We may have to move to something else instead of the staircases because this is not working out for me.
All right, babes, that's it for today's video. We got the new tree up, fluffed it, lit, and we tested out the garland. Even though we're definitely gonna need a little more, we're not doing that this Christmas, okay? I hope you enjoy spending this little cozy moment with me. I thank you for being here. I thank you for your prayers. I thank you for supporting me, and thank you for all your love. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what part of your home are you decorating next. Until next time, I love you all so much, babes. Bye.